Hey YouTube, it's your homegirl Lena Ma, and this is a bit of a different video for me. I've been wanting to make a video on 35mm photography for a while now, and here it is. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know your girl likes to go into a charity shop and find a cheap film camera. I've got quite lucky, and as you guys can see, I'll pop them up on screen. I have found many different little gems, and this is one of my most recent finds. Recently picked up this camera in a charity shop. I think I paid £25 for it. Came with a box, a manual, not the original box, may I just add, but still pretty good find. Also this strap as well, and inside the box there was already a roll of film. I didn't know if this was expired or any good, but I decided to give it a go anyway. And these were some of the pictures that I got with that roll in the camera box when I bought this. And as you can see, they didn't come out great. Some of them are quite cool, but obviously they are very underexposed. This camera does have a built-in flash, but yeah, I'm still a little bit new to film photography, so yeah, I should have said that at the beginning. I am not a professional photographer or an expert on film whatsoever. It's just a bit of a hobby, something I like doing, so yeah. Anyway, so after that test roll was a little bit of a fail, I'd say, but it's good to know the camera was working. I decided to go ahead and try it again. Oh my god, that plant is dying. Guys, my pepper spot, whatever it's called, look at the state of it. There's just like one. Anyway, I'm so stressed by, I get stressed when my plants are not well. Oof. Back to the video. As the first roll that came with the box, the pictures didn't come out great. I decided to give it another go and film the whole process for you. And this is the video and the results I got using the Canon EOS 500 35mm. This is what we're going for, and I'll try and put a reference image of the inspiration. And yeah, so we've got the camera and I'm using a Canon 50mm. This is actually one that I use on my SLRs, but we are using it on this. And we've got my Kodak Portra, where are you? Kodak Portra 400. And lucky for me, this is all auto, so I don't really need to do much. Oh, for one time. You can see it. Now I'm gonna get close-ups. if we can find anywhere else to shoot. It's starting to rain a little bit. I kind of like the moody look. I don't know if we're gonna find anywhere, but just come across this little sign which says the retreat, and then there's like these weird looking stairs which lead to I don't know what, but I thought it looked quite cool. I'll try it. I don't know if it's going to work on camera, but let's see what we get. Yellow of this building. I don't know how it will turn out. Let's try it. I do want to get the hedge in, so I'm like, oh, there's a little cat there though. I don't know, we'll see. I have to get low to get everything in. Oh, the birds just flew up on the plant. Cool. Still had a few pictures left on that roll, and I decided to take it out with me on one of my shoot days with Michaela, which you guys are gonna see next, so roll the video. So I've got a few rolls left on this. I've taken it out with my shoot with Michaela.
Hey,
by the way,
cat in hair there.
No, you look good. Check out her YouTube, check out her channel, her Insta, her photography. I'm gonna leave all the details on screen and in the description. She's awesome. She's been taking a lot of my pictures recently.
Thank you guys.
And yeah, I'm gonna get her, if she doesn't mind, she doesn't know.
Oh, I don't know what we're doing.
Just to snap a few pictures on here. And,
Yeah, fingers crossed it comes out well.
Yeah, we'll see how they turn out. And yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So I ended up getting a little shot of Michaela. We have one photo, just one left.
Yeah,
and we're gonna make it a good one. Found this car and we're gonna shoot in front of it and let's see how it goes.
Let's see how we gave this one
Shall I
shot.
put it up here, maybe?
You've only got one shot.
One shot, do not miss your chance to blow.
And that's it.
I'm not gonna lie to you, a lot of the pictures that came back from this roll were just black. I don't know why, I don't know what happened, but it was a first test roll, and that's the thing about film. Sometimes you just don't know what you're getting. That's the fun and excitement of it as well. So my first initial impressions after using this camera, I am so happy I found it. I'm glad to have it in my collection. It's super lightweight, but obviously that's going to depend on the lens that you put on it. This one is just a plastic one, so again, it's not that heavy. Also, this is a great camera if you are making the transition from shooting in digital into film, especially if you're used to shooting on SLRs already, because it is very, very similar to the Canon 5D or any other Canon SLR that I've used in the past. It's also a great option if you're looking to expand into film a bit more. If you're, say, using just a point and shoot at the moment, but you want to explore and get a little bit more in depth and have more control over your pictures, then this is a great camera. You can pick these up on eBay and a few places online like Etsy, Depop, but I definitely recommend checking out your local charity shops. Just go in all of them and have a look. Honestly, it's worth it. There's absolutely no harm in checking it out. You might find a steal. Let me know if you found a bargain in the comments in a charity shop. And that is the Canon EOS 500. If you guys like this type of video, then don't forget to give it a like, to subscribe, and stay tuned for more.